Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another video. We are on the backside of the Tetons. I guess you can't really see it, maybe not. Tetons are right there. We're on the backside. But here's Megan.
Hello.
We just got here and set up camp. We come to this spot once a year and hang out. I made a video here before too, so we're just gonna take it easy for a couple days and camp here and just relax and really go easy mode. Really easy luxury comfort mode. This is not like backpacking minimalist mode. So check out our tent. I've got a Kodiak tent with Stormfly by Spring Bar, so two different brands, but it's already been raining on us, so we're gonna get wet today at least. That's what she said. Come in the tent, see. We're trying out a bunk bed situation. See that? Thanks to my brother Brad for letting me use his bunk beds to try out to see if I want to get some, but these things are huge and heavy. So yeah, we're gonna chill for a few days and see if it rains on us again. It was just raining. We were just sitting out here. I've been debating if I wanted to film again or not. I haven't filmed the last 3 trips or 3 adventures. I'm just kind of taking a break, I think, from it all. So anyway, let's come down here. Let's show you around.
Let's go.
There's our tent area. Down in here is kind of a little foresty area. Here's a little creek right here.
And it smells so good. The trees with the rain, it just smells unbelievably wonderful.
Cute little bridge. It's kind of a cute area. The problem is we're sharing next door to a group area, which is full tonight. We just talked to the site host. The whole campground is full tonight, so we'll see how crazy people get with all their trailers and generators and drinking beer.
America!
America! Our camp is all set up. They gave us a new fire pit this year and a new table this year. We are set up and cozy. We're going to be here 4 days, 3 nights, right?
Yep.
Anyway, I think we're gonna go get some food. Here's our neighbors, more and more people and more trailers showing up. Hopefully they're nice.
Hopefully.
And not so loud. Welcome to the city.
Welcome to Driggs.
Driggs, Idaho.
Pretty small. We walked the whole town in 30 minutes last year, I think.
Yeah. Teton Thai. Nom 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 nom.
I'm so excited.
Here's the place.
Cute little things.
Well, Thai food was delicious. We went to the grocery store and picked up a few small, easy items, and now we're back at camp going for a little walk. Check this out. Just exploring a little bit. Here's a little river. Boy Scout camp. And then it closed, and we don't know what it is now. So we're kind of just wandering in to check it out. Looks like they're turning stuff into campsites. Possibly. This used to be lots of buildings and cabins and stuff for the Boy Scout area. But now there's bear boxes. Looks like they're making campsites. So I'm guessing here, maybe even next year, this might be a camp area.
Yeah.
Oh, they left this cabin. Oop, thunder.
Yeah.
Might get rained on again. Oh, there used to be a dock here and everything. So you could jump off into the water, but they've taken everything down. The pathway, the boardwalk. Of course, people ruin it with the stupid fire pit. Leave no trace, people, come on. Wow, check this out, that's cool. Lots of hooves and such. There has been daily sightings of a bear in the area, so we're kind of being watchful of possibly seeing a bear. Oh, I can see thunder in the reflection a little bit. Or lightning, see thunder, duh. I can see thunder in the water. Well, we might be getting wet here soon. Get some rain again. So yeah, this used to be an old scout camp, and it's huge. We've walked the whole thing before they started kind of tearing it apart.
It's huge.
It's humongous. There's the old trading post. We're gonna go up here. This is where an amphitheater was. We're gonna go check it out. And then head back.
Yep.
Doesn't even look like anything was here, yeah. They're just letting it regrow. Oh, here you can kind of tell here's like a road. Yeah, they used to have benches and all the scouts and stuff would be here. They had a stage over there on that rock. Big flagpole monument. Giving it back to nature now. Cool. Look at those clouds coming.
Oh yeah, we should probably go back.
Oh, miss, I want to go explore right now.
Well, I just wanted to see. I've been so curious.
We have thunder booming all above us. The Tetons are down there behind these mountains.
I don't see the waterfall.
Oh, the winds are picking up. Oh, here comes the, is that wet? Is that the rain? I don't know, stuff's falling out of the trees. We're trying to hurry back. Clouds are flying in. Yep. Watch, we're gonna get right back to our tent right as it starts dumping.
Probably.
We're ready!
Hurry!
Running down the road! Megan's jog is my speed walk. Lots of rain falling, you can see it.
Little drops.
Wow. There's some dark clouds. Woo! Here's camp again. Look at all that. You probably can't tell on camera. Oh, that's just a sheet coming down. Looks like Bob Ross was drunk and just went. Bleh. We'll see if we get hit with it at all, but. Oh, oh, lightning.
Yeah, that's cool. I was gonna step on another.
Yeah. Whoa! Come on! It's raining! It's raining! Come on! Come on! Oh, we made it. Okay, let's tuck our stuff under our awesome tent. Oh, yeah, it's coming. Oh, it's coming. Oh! Ah! It's hail.
Oh,
there it is. Told you, right as we got to the tent. Wow. There it is. Holy smokes.
Oh.
Wow. Oh yeah, it's hail. Look. It's hail.
Oh my goodness.
It's hailing. Wow. Look at all this hail. These are the size of BBs and getting bigger. Oh my gosh, look at it. Whoa.
Thunderstorms.
Oh, we got some water pooling.
Uh-oh.
Here it goes. Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Thank you, Shaun. Oh my gosh! Oh, we're gonna get wet!
There you go.
We need to go inside!
Oh, we're fine. It's gonna be right there.
Oh my heavens!
And then it won't pull up on us. Just hanging out, enjoying the thunderstorm. It's a lot of rain. I'm glad I put the covers on.
That happened very fast.
Oh, look, she's got all the cutesy lights.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yep.
I'm gonna bring our chairs in here.
Hang out.
It's kind of tight. These cots are nice, but they're quite larger than I thought. Anyway, well, you've been sitting inside the tent. We got some cute lights going. Little fairy lights.
Mm-hmm. I love them.
This large Kodiak canvas tent is nice to hang out in the rain in. Rain's kind of dying off. It's just kind of sprinkling. Oh, it's starting to pick up again. Never mind, it's picking up. Here it comes. Oh, that's a car coming. Never mind. It sounded like the wave of rain as it comes, you know?
Oh, there you go.
That's just another truck in a cute little trailer. She's eating her leftover Thai food.
Thai food in the tent in the rain. I'm a happy camper.
It's been about an hour. It stopped raining finally.
That was wild.
And we're outside. Still lots of dark clouds above, but they don't seem to be very menacing. We're debating if we want to try and have a fire or not. I don't know. Otherwise, just hang out. What do you think?
Let's have a fire.
You think so?
Yeah, just a little one.
A little one?
Or a big one.
How do you have a little one?
I mean, like, not all night, but for some of the night.
Expecto Patronum!
Yes.
Good morning. It's 10:30 already. We've just been laying around, hanging out at camp. We've been having coffee and we've already cleaned up and we've just been sitting around enjoying the morning, a little slow morning. We were woken up by our neighbors at 6:30 in the morning. They just decided to start chopping a huge tree down, apparently. Just beating a log with an axe at 6:30 for some reason. One of the other neighbors went and kind of talked to him apparently before we could get up, but so we've been up for a while.
Campsites.
We're doing a little adventure today. that you'll see shortly. Megan's really excited.
I'm really excited.
She's been looking forward to it all
my life.
her entire life, apparently. Yeah, we're going for a little stroll to the river that's behind the campsite area.
So pretty.
It's kind of a pretty little trail, and I don't think most people know about it, so it's kind of our secret little hideaway. There's the little river. It's not really rivering right now. You okay over there?
This is what we come for.
These trees are new. These look like flash flood kind of trees. This is where I fall into the river.
It is cold. Even my hands need a Wim Hof. Woo. 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 Oh, that is ice. Ice. Feel.
No.
I'm like stuck in one place.
What are you gonna do now?
Get off.
Fast forward a little bit. We're here at Harriman State Park near Yellowstone. We're gonna ride some ponies.
I'm so excited.
Okay, Phil. Excited? You finally get to ride a horse.
So
She's been going crazy about it for a while.
I have been.
Well, here's all the ponies. Lots ready to go. You so excited?
I'm so excited.
Let's see which ones we get. You guys ready? It's a lot of horse butts, Megan.
I know.
Oh, hello.
Hey, hi, Agnes.
You get Agnes, okay. What do you think, Megan? You've been waiting.
So excited.
Hi.
Hey, this is Sandman.
Sandman, wow, okay. Biggin.
He's a big
What do you think, Megan? How you feeling? I feel like I'm 20 feet in the air. Get my Red Dead Redemption 2.
Right to go right, left to go left. Make sure that rein's laying against their neck. To stop, you're gonna pull back. You want these to come tight pretty soon after you pick them up.
You ready, Megan? You excited?
Yep.
Let's go. Thank you much.
Sandman doesn't look quite as tall.
Good boy. Dang old Red Dead. Oh, bitch. Stay over here. Oh, you getting some nibbles on the way? He's eating as he goes.
Oh, potty break.
There you go. Oh, nice. That a girl. There you go. Get you some grub. Okay.
Don't let him get carried away with grub.
Oh, is he a hungry one that wants to?
He thinks he is.
Okay.
He thinks he is.
He's a snacker.
He'll quickly let it get out of hand.
Okay.
Stop and graze.
I understand you, buddy. We're one and the same. Give me a bag of chips and I'm in trouble.
Hey, cowboy. Looking pretty good on that horse.
Yeah, we like snacks on this horse. Yep. Okay. Let's go. He likes snacks. He just keeps grabbing stuff. All right. We're gonna have a low bridge, buddy. Let's go. Come on.
Hop off here and we'll help you guys off.
Okay, we're halfway.
Hi there. Nice
Say hi to Sandman. Whoop, whoop.
Hi, Sandman. Say hi to Agnes, who
Hi, Agnes.
toots and eats nonstop.
Yeah.
That's a good look on you. Oh, he's a cutie. He's really handsome.
Good boy.
And the horse is pretty cool, too.
Alright, go ahead and leave this right one in. Or pardon me, left.
There we go. Yeah, just taking a little break halfway. It's a pretty view.
That looks like a bear to you. We're trying to still see him. Straight through the opening.
That'd probably be a cow.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, that's a big old cow pasture and a bunch of cows in there.
So we took one.
Okay, break's over.
One ride going home. Saw a lot of country we needed.
All right, it's time to load up again.
Oh,
Look at him.
he's kind of an instigator.
There you go.
This one and this
There's Megan on Agnes.
and
Me and my girl,
they
Agnes.
go on field trips that time.
Say goodbye to the beautiful lake. Me and Sandman again. Good boy.
That was so awesome.
Okay. Good boy. Hello, hello. Thank you much.
Your giraffe.
Good boy, Sandman. Thanks for the ride, huh? Thanks for the ride. Good boy. Hi.
That's a good boy.
Yeah.
Boy, Agnes.
River. Follow it out there. It's the second and third building on the right.
Okay, so am I gonna find this path you're talking about if I go out by the crapper?
What are you doing? Not going on your leash? Oh, hi, baby.
Hi. Are we friends?
I don't think she's gonna be much of a cat.
Is that what you're gonna be, a cattle dog? Huh? Is that what you're gonna be when you grow up?
He just looks at me.
You're so cute.
We got
We're still talking.
Oh,
How much?
400.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Next litter.
Sharing.
bye, Margie. All right, thanks everybody. We'll see you.
Bye bye.
Okay. How you feel?
That was so awesome.
Is that cool?
That was so awesome. I need to wash my hands. I got like horse sweat under my fingertips.
Yeah, me too.
That was
We went and got some Mexican food, did some shopping, hung out at town for a little bit. Oh look, here's Megan. She's doing yoga. We're about to start a fire here soon and just hang out for the night. Oh, there's a lot of people in camp. But we're gonna start a fire and just kind of have an early night, and I'm guessing we're gonna pass out pretty early tonight. We're tired, so we're gonna do fire early and then go to bed early probably. Yeah. Megan's got her chocolate. Hello. It's the next day. It's like 1 o'clock already. We had a slow morning, just having coffee and breakfast at camp and relaxing by the stream and such. And now, as you can tell, we're off going on a short little hike just to kind of go explore and move a little bit. We're actually going behind the Tetons. So we're heading towards the Tetons from the backside. It's kind of warm today, don't you think? It's probably mid-70s or so. Oh, look, a bridge. Let's cross it. Up and up.
Is this Barley?
Yes.
Hi, we're camp neighbors.
Hi. Here's Barley and Buford.
Hi. How are you?
Nice to see you too.
That's Maggie.
Hi, Maggie. Hi, friends. Are you having a good time? Yeah.
Very tired.
That's
Yeah.
good.
You guys going up or on the way back?
We're on the way back.
Oh, cool, yeah. Hi. Did you have a good hike, huh?
I like your voice. You're good.
Hello. Oh, you like my little fluffy, huh? Kind of a cool area.
So pretty.
Lots and lots of mountains.
We're in Jackson Hole.
That's why I was saying. Surprising for you.
What do you think?
I'm excited.
Well, we're back at camp and we're kind of having our second dinner. While we were in Jackson Hole, we went to a fancy restaurant and had some kind of a quinoa tofu, General Tso's tofu dish. It was like $60, but we're still hungry, so we just came back and we made a peanut butter and something sandwich and some chips and chipotle bitchin' sauce and hummus and veggies. And so this is kind of dinner, nuts, pistachios, dinner number 2 back at camp. That is way better and vastly cheaper. So anyway, there's some deer and stuff that have been walking down the stream over there. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
It's time to clean up. Undo the bunk, put everything away, and then hit the road.
It's 66 degrees today.
There's dark clouds. We're gonna try and get ahead of the rain if there is any rain. Anyway, adventure over.
It's been fun.
And just like that, we're all cleaned up.
I'm done.
Okay, this one's over.
Yep.
Okay, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.